Hello, folks. This is Jake Guttman from Rosevest Financial with an economic snapshot for July 2021, a Wine Wednesday, and in this case, a guest star of bourbon, a little bit of Angel's Envy, actually. So today we'll recap how stocks fared in June and then dive into some major financial headlines. Stocks had quite the impressive month in June, setting record highs for the first half of this year. The Dow set the best month of 2021, climbing 7.19%. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ both recorded their best months since January, rising 6.9% and 7.4% respectively. Now, the three indices highlight Wall Street's optimism for economic recovery, and there are several contributing factors at play. According to the CDC, 157 million Americans, which is nearly half of the U.S., is now fully vaccinated. Businesses are ramping up operations with 559,000 new jobs up for grab the last month. That also means that unemployment claims continue to hit record lows since the pandemic struck last year. Consumers are also shifting their spending to things like travel and eating out, especially as summer activities get underway. As we look ahead to the second half of 2021, economists expect the housing market to settle down a little bit. The Mortgage Bankers Association reports that mortgage demand fell nearly 7%. That's nearly the lowest level in a year and a half. Lumber prices as well are also coming back down, with the supply increasing, tanking more than 40% last month alone. As mentioned before, more people are traveling and taking vacations rather than working on home projects, building projects, and renovations. For those of you with kids in undergrad, student loans may actually get more expensive. Effective this month, interest rates are increasing by nearly a full percentage point, from 2.75% to 3.73%. The rate hike only applies to new federal loans taken out after this month. Still, you won't need to make any payments on the loans until at least October of this year. Now, lastly, you've probably heard of ransomware attacks on major companies in the headlines recently. And that's because ransomware has risen about 300% in the past year as more people like you and I work from home. A good rule of thumb, though, is to not use free Wi-Fi at coffee shops or even airports if you're trying to get work done while you travel. Always use a secure network to prevent hackers from infiltrating your computer with ransomware, and be careful. Now, once again, this is Jake Guttman with Rosevest Financial, signing off with our Economic Trends Wine Wednesday economic update for July 2021. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation, and if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please call us at 480-951-5300, and we'd be happy to talk to you. Happy Wine Wednesday, or maybe Bourbon Wednesday, and happy July.